Now let's see some effect of volcanic eruption. The volcanic eruption destroy farmlands and roads, damage to property and loss of life. So after volcanic eruption, volcanic dust blocks sunlight for a long period of life, which leads to change in the weather pattern. And also the volcanic eruption spread some diseases. So these are some effect of volcanic eruption. Now we have to see some advantages of volcanic eruption. So after a volcanic eruption, the soil becomes very fertile and good for farming. So this is one of the advantages of volcanic eruption, isn't it? And some of the volcanic locations can be used to generate geothermal energy. Geothermal energy means energy obtained from the earth. So these are some advantages of volcanic eruption. Now I want to tell one fact. The fact is that a region in the Pacific Ocean that consists of 452 volcanoes, which is called the Ring of Fire. These are all about volcanoes. Next we have to learn about tidal waves and tsunami. The tidal waves are actually the cyclic rise and fall of sea levels caused due to the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. And we all notice that sometimes the waves on the sea are high and sometimes the waves of the sea are low, isn't it? So why this has happened? Actually there is a reason behind it. The reason is that we all know that around the sun the earth revolving, and around the earth the moon revolving, and there is a time come when all the three, means the sun, the earth and the moon, comes in a straight line. So when they are in a straight line, the tides reach the maximum height. So you can see high tides and low tides in this picture. So these are called tidal waves. Next we have to learn about tsunami. Actually the tsunami occurs when there is a disturbance in the layers of the rocks in the earth's crust under water bodies. A large amount of energy is released, which leads to the formation of huge waves, which is called tsunami. So the rise of large amount of water in the form of huge waves from oceans due to underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruption is called tsunami. Okay, so large tsunami waves lead to the loss of life and property, isn't it? So it is advisable to stay at high altitude regions during a tsunami threat, and it is also advisable not to swim during the tsunami time. Okay, so and large tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean in the year 2004 on 26 December, causing a major loss of life and property in the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Island were among the worst hit areas in India. So these are all about tidal waves and tsunami. So by this I would like to end my today's class. Thank you.